What's up guys, Asura here, back with another video. Today we got something from our friends over at Anker. We're going to be looking at the new Anker Powerport, which is a charger that is meant to replace all your chargers. Before we start, I'll leave links in the description to where you guys can pick one up yourselves. And with that said, let's get straight into it. So guys, as you guys have seen throughout this unboxing, you'll know that this is a charger. It is marketed as a hub and can power up to 4 devices. This can be useful for when you have several devices and they all need to be charged. Instead of having several different cables and chargers, you can just have this one charger which charges them all. It has a total output of 65 watts, which of course includes a 45 watt USB-C port. For the week that I've had it, I've mainly used it as a hub on my setup table. It replaced the old Anker Powerport that I had because this one has Type-C. Not only does this mean I can have fast charging at my desk, it also means I can only use one cable, which limits the amount of cables that I'm using at my desk. This will keep the desk clean, as I'm only using one cable to charge all my devices. It also has 3 IQ USB ports, which are definitely handy for when I'm charging devices that are not USB Type-C, and they are also faster than normal USB ports. Just for video purposes, I'm going to show you a quick time lapse of me setting up some of my devices to show you how this device works. So guys, from the time lapse you were able to see that the device can perfectly charge numerous devices at once. Although it has a good strong build, one downside would definitely be the plastic build. Plastic definitely makes the product feel more cheaper and out of its actual price range. Other than that, from my use, the device has been exceptional in charging my devices. I'll definitely be testing it more harshly with higher power devices. Also guys, be sure to check out Anker's website, as they now have a deal called the Lockdown Box, which is a promotion that is ongoing as of now. With that, you can get huge savings on electronic products like this. I'll leave the links to that page down below. And with that said guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like rating to show me that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media pages, which will be in the description below. On there you can find updates and exclusives from the channel. Let me know in the comments whether you guys will be buying this product or not. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.